Children, as I promised yesterday that we will do read and answer today. So go, bring your notebook and your pen. I'm waiting for you. Still waiting. Don't worry. Yes, children, open a new page of your notebook and write down date and day on the top. I'm waiting. You can take your time. After date and day, write down lesson number 8 in the middle after leaving one line. Then we will write down the name of the chapter, I am flying, after leaving a line. Then write down read and answer. Children, write neatly. I am giving you ample time to write. So I will wait for you. You take your time to write. I hope till now it's clear to you. Let's write the first question. Complete these sentences. Yes, our first statement is the little boy could not understand. Now we have to find what he couldn't understand. If we read the second passage of our lesson, we'll find the little boy always wished to fly like a bird. It was very difficult for him to understand that why he could not fly. So our answer is that why he could not fly. Students, write down the statement. The little boy could not understand that why he could not fly. Now our next statement is the girl wished to. Now do you remember what she wished to? Remember, she couldn't walk. So the answer is walk and run like other boys and girls. Students, write down the whole statement. The little girl wished to walk and run like other boys and girls. Our next statement is the two children talked. Children, do you remember what they did when they talked? Yes. They laughed, and also what they did? They made sand castles. Very good. So we will write now the statement and its answer. So we will write the two children talked and laughed and made sand castles. Take your time, don't worry. I'm waiting for you. Now children, our next statement is the little girl was flapping her arms. How she was flapping? Yes, up and down, up and down. And she was telling her dad that, look Papa, I am flying, I am flying. So let's write. The little girl was flapping her arms up and down and yelling at the top of her voice, telling her dad to see that she was flying. Write down, beta. Write the full statement. And underline the blank also. Underline that part you are filling in the blank. Our second question is, what did the little boy wish to do? Yes, he wished to fly like a bird. So write down the answer. The little boy wished to fly like a bird. Question number 3. Why did the girl wonder what it would be like to walk and run? Remember, children, she couldn't walk. So that's why she wondered. So our answer is, the girl wondered so because she couldn't walk and run like the other boys and girls. And our last question is, children, what did the boy tell his new friend to do? What he told? To slide onto his back, yes. And what did he do after that? So, the boy told his new friend to slide up onto his back. Then he began to run as fast as he could, carrying the little girl on his back. Complete your answer.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna.
That's all about your read and answer. I hope you have completed your work, and by chance you are unable to finish it. Don't worry. I'll be sending you read and answer for your reference also.